was thinking of maybe buying myself a Mac. Okay.
Mac is good.
Going on to like Craigslist and buying these for my house something. So it might be either a Mac Mini or an iMac.
Okay. Yeah.
If I buy one and it only has like 8 gigs of RAM or something,
It is plenty.
It is plenty.
It is plenty.
If I wanted to.
Only if you were doing like video editing and all that, then you would need 16 or 32.
So just using the internet or something, it would be fine.
4 is fine.
Okay. What if newer ones all come with like a 1 terabyte hard drive. What if I wanted to upgrade it to a 2 or 4 terabyte hard drive?
You know yourself.
How much would that cost?
Like a 2 terabyte hard drive might be like 150, 200, and then $60 labor to transfer.
Give me some ideas.
But remember, you can always use an external hard drive. That's a better choice because you protect your data by backing it up once in a while.
That's what I currently have.
Yeah.
My current external hard drive will work in the Mac, even though I can turn it on a PC. Is it a Western Digital?
Yeah. It should.
So if I plug it into a Mac, it has no problem. Okay, one other question.
Yeah.
You have this Verizon Internet TV.
Correct.
What's that?
It's you plug in internet and to this little box and HDMI to your TV. You get latest movies in the movie theater, TV channels from around the world, kids movies, adult movies.
Now, is that a box you sell me or what?
Yeah, one time you buy the box for $180. You don't pay anything monthly.
Okay,
you get latest movies.
Okay, I think it's XBMC.
XBMC is the main product. It's been around 8 to 9 years. A lot of Apple-related people know about it. 1 in 1,000 people know about it, but it's the best thing in the world. It's very powerful because the media is put on by people all over the world.
Okay, just recently I came across XBMC. Some people buy it like Apple TV and
Apple TV, but this is better because Apple TV, when it's jailbroken and the channels are loaded, is almost $275 to $300. This one's $180. And Apple, when you have problems, you have to pay someone to fix it. This we give you 1-year warranty. We can show you how you can reformat it in 5 minutes, whereas the Apple one, it takes hours to reformat it.
I know some people like to have a Mac Mini and they put XBMC on it.
Yeah, on a laptop and all that. But the thing is, I think this is the best way because you want to use your computer for your computer-related stuff. So I have it connected right there. I have one at home, one at work. I watch movies. It's more for movies. Some people try to buy it for TV channels. But I'm like, TV channels, the problem is too many commercials. And the movie is never on when you want to watch it. With this box gives you the control. You feel like watching music videos, you go there and watch music videos. You feel like watching latest American movie, you want to watch old movie, you watch old movie. You don't let NBC tell you what to watch.
Okay.
Everything look good?
Grandma asks too many questions, don't she?
I know.
Grandma, just buy everything. You only live once.
Okay. So how much would these say?
180 and 130.
Okay.
And
Why is that one?
180 is the newer one, so less problems, faster processor. It has Google Apps, so some people like to install more Google Apps. Like Facebook, Netflix, email, picture view.
Thank you. for testing my sound. I think I gotta turn it lower though. Yeah, I gotta turn it lower. Hold on. Okay. Oh shit, I gotta change my room topic. This ain't no road show. Yeah. And what about the fan on this one? Did you check out the fan?
Yeah, I blew the dust.
You do?
And the room seems to be running cooler now.
Yeah.
I didn't feel it any hot anymore.
Okay.
The other thing is, you know, like the i7 processors
Uh-huh.
do run harder.
They do run?
Because it's a faster processor.
Uh-huh.
That's why they keep coming up with a newer i7 and all that.
Uh-huh.
To make it cooler or whatever, you know?
Right.
But i7 does run hotter. Like I just sold that Sony you were looking at the other day.
Uh-huh.
Somebody came and bought it.
Oh, really? They bought it?
Yeah. One guy worked for the FBI.
That was a nice computer.
Yeah, he bought it.
The one that was sitting right there?
Correct. And the previous owner, he was like trying to tell me that it runs hot and all that. I'm like, yeah, that's okay. That's
So
good.
what did you do? You cleaned the
You
fan?
just, compress air.
Did you compress air on
Yeah,
this one?
already did that one.
Was it dirty?
Well, a little bit dirty,
I did-
but main thing is that it seemed cooler.
Anything helps, right?
Yeah.
And, oh, do you think that you could, I mean, what am I going to do about this, Design Premium, this $2,100 program I got in here?
That's really for programmers.
Yeah, but is there any way that you could,
photographs and all that, you know?
is there
It's
any
really
way
for
that
them.
you could get this off my computer so it don't slow it down and I could save it on another disk?
No, you would have. The only option you have is you put another hard drive and then do a clean install on this one. Like let's say if you buy a new hard drive and reinstall Windows 7, yeah, limited space. So if you install a new, then if you did need it, then you would stick that hard drive in there again and use it. But how often do you use it?
It hasn't been used yet.
Yeah, so
I mean, does it slow up the computer having this big program?
no, not really. I don't think so. It's just when you use that program, you're supposed to have a lot of RAM. You know, like it's for people who want to edit a photograph.
Right.
You know, like let's say there's a photograph.
I mean, but
it's for people who design posters and things like that.
Or website?
I don't know.
But, so is this like taking up too much, causing it to slow down, or?
No, it doesn't.
Or there's enough RAM or whatever you call it?
That's only if you're using it. When you use it, then you'll use RAM. But when you close the program, then it's fine.
Hello? Okay, my friend wants to talk to you, please.
Hello? All right, how you doing? No, Wi-Fi card is built into her laptop. Oh, that we don't sell. She would have to go to Sprint or Verizon is really the best one. The only problem is Verizon and Sprint, I think they make you sign a 2-year contract. So if you go to a smaller company, there's no contract. You know, like if you go to, I don't know, T-Mobile or some other place, then you might be able to, you know, because you don't want to be stuck in a contract and have to have it for 2 years, unless, because prices are dropping and stuff like that, you know. Yeah. Oh, we used to do it with Clear, but no more. Clear got sold to Sprint. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
That was just somebody.
Yeah.
What is this?
And you know the old one?
Mhm.
I think you should just scrap it because it's a lot. You got bad, dirty keyboard.
Uh-huh.
Inside is very filthy and all that.
Mhm.
You know, like just use this. You know. Yeah.
This I never really used at all.
Yeah.
The other one is just too
And I'll
much.
give you your old hard drive if you need. You know, we can remove that. But I already
Hey.
copied whatever data I saw on there. You know.
You don't think you could save my $2,100 program on this hard drive?
No. The way it works is you would have to make a copy of this hard drive,
Uh-huh.
the whole hard drive. You can't just uninstall a program. Like you have to have the original DVD or CD. You see, like I have CD, like
Oh, you mean to this
yeah.
to this CS
to
thing?
install that program, you would have
I
to.
think I do have it.
So if you have the original CD with the license number,
Yes, of course.
then you can wipe out the computer. You could have done that. But it's
I
fine
gotta
for
make
now.
sure I find it
Yeah.
first. Yeah.
And if you don't use the program anymore,
Mhm.
what's the use of?
Well, no, it's still good. It's
Yeah.
just I don't have the
Yeah,
correct.
that's for programmers or.
Yeah. Now, when you was transferring all these photos from that computer to that one, were
Mhm.
you able to see the photos as they were being
No,
transferred?
no, no.
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 But you looked to see if they got
Transferred, yeah.
transferred.
And it told me that some of them were corrupt when I tried to open one or two,
Okay.
but some of them did open. So
Yeah, no, I see a lot
because
of
the
them.
hard
open.
drive crashed,
Yeah.
that's why some of them are corrupt. You know?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Well, we copied whatever we could.
No, that's fine.
Okay, so
Yeah.
like this one, if you want, but it still got the new screen in there. But if you want, I can just get rid of it for you, and then I keep the new
This
screen.
one
That's
now,
all.
this one can never be saved, or if it does, what do I need
Remember-
to give you?
There's nothing good left in there, really.
Really?
I mean, it's still got a good motherboard, but the thing is, like a lot of liquid spill, so it could go bad any moment, you know? Like, remember
So
I was
it's
telling
not-
you there
it's
was
not worth it.
cockroaches and this and
It's
that?
not worth it to
No, not
put
worth
any
it.
more money.
No, no, no.
Well, you're still gonna give it back to me. right?
I'm gonna give it back, but I'm gonna remove the new screen.
Sure. What?
Because
No.
I actually put a hinge in there also. It's a lot of work just to remove the hinge. I'm just gonna give it to you with the hinge in there.
Oh, but yeah, this
And
is
here's your charger for this one.
shit.
you
My
bought this-
6-hour battery no good no more then, huh?
Here's your charger for this one.
Okay.
And then, did you break the charger for this one?
I think I left it because you said you already have one. I think yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, remove the
I'll just
glass.
call you as soon as I remove the glass.
Oh, how long does it take?
Not much at all.
You can't remove it now, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, take your time, dude. Take your time. I'm going to sit on your nice desk chair, okay?
I'll have it in 2 minutes. Yeah, just replacing the hinge took me like 2 hours, you know.
Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, sit down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, take your time.
Oh, it's just 2 screws here, 2 screws there.
This is my battery, right? So that one is just gone, right?
Yeah.
Not worth anything. I put a lot of money into that, like $800 something. With all that past stuff.
Okay, so that's my screen. This will show you it, and then here's yours.
So that's never fixable or not worth it no more.
Yeah, and your screen
As
was
best I get a...
cracked, so
Yeah.
that's useless anyway.
And you couldn't restore the...
The data, yeah.
No, you couldn't click repair and the windows come back up?
It keeps saying that it keeps trying to repair and doesn't do anything. So here's the old one if you want it.
Yeah. So that battery right there won't fit on your own.
No.
Okay.
It's for different.
All right. Well, let me close this up and pay you now.
Of course. Okay.
All right. So I can get out of your hair.
I mean, it's, oh man, I'm flying.
Yeah, I know.
2 o'clock already. Yeah, usually my lunch like 1:30.
Okay.
I need to order some food. Did you bring your car?
Yes, my car's out there. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm going to log off right now. Don't want to drop this one. Hold on.
No.
Yeah.
Do you keep it on a desk or where?
Well, no, that one I had on top of my desk and it fell down.